Morning, good afternoon, good night to whatever time of day it is to you beautiful individuals. And I'm recording this intro because I'm not sure if I'm gonna remember to record it in the morning, so I'm just doing it now. But yeah, we're back on YouTube. I got an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I said that like when I get this new phone, because I literally was incapable of recording anything with my other phone because like that it was just messed up. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning. We're gonna be changing TJ spark plugs in his 340. I think it's only gonna be one, and then we gotta put on his exhaust because he has a ticket for exhaust, even though I didn't know that Florida is becoming California now. But hey, his ticket's gonna be dismissed. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the morning when I wake up. All right, we at the homie TJ's house. Bro, he has this shit jacked high as hell, bro. Like, I mean, I guess. Say what's up, TJ. Nah, I'm recording. I need to post a YouTube video. Bro, I could have bought it for you. But hey, we're finna put this shit back on the car. I took mine off and I sold it. So I literally...
You sold it?
Yeah, I gave it to a guy, or gave it to a random guy. No. He did our water heater or whatever, but I sold mine. So if I ever want to go back, though, I'm just gonna get a full system, like a Valvetronic or something. But yeah, we're finna put this shit back on. All right, do that shit again, bro. Nah, that's sketchy as hell, bro. After that. Raining, as y'all can see by the water particles on my card. We had got some food real quick, but yeah, we finna resume on putting the the stuff on. I literally just had it hanging up on those brackets right there. That was heavy. You had to take this AutoZone ultimate dump thing off, but yeah, we about to head back to it though. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna record, but we're getting there though. Just gotta tell him to adjust it and everything. That thing is probably gonna short circuit, so I gotta clean it up.
Fuck, bro.
Nah, you can go back though. All right, y'all. We're in Orlando with TJ. I did not record any of the taking off his exhaust or anything, or anything between that. But yeah, we just magically zipped to Orlando. We're gonna go to this car meet. It says only Fins. It probably is just gonna be only Infinities there, maybe. But I really doubt that because of the number of likes it has. So I don't know. I'll see y'all though. After an eventful fucking highway run to this car meet. Oh my god, y'all gonna see it on the gap cam. We're finally here. I really don't even know what's here. It said only Fins, so I can guess the majority of cars will be like Infinities or something like that, but I don't know. We're in a whole lineup of BMWs. We got the 335 IS right there. We got the F80. I don't give a fuck about that. We have F10, 328 over there. I don't know. I just parked next to BMW people. But yeah, I don't know. It's gonna rain. Like I just have a stupidly good phone now that makes that shit look appealing, but that looks like rain. And my tires are bald, so I don't know. But we gonna ask TJ what the plan is. What's the plan, TJ?
Sit here for like 15 minutes. If nothing happens, then I'm going downtown.
Yeah, we finna do that. On a mission to go get some E right now, even though I don't think I'll get E. I'll probably fill my gas up with 93. I said I want to race, but I don't know. There's like thunderclouds everywhere, and if I'm gonna fill up on something, it's not gonna be race gas to get me home. So, but I don't know. I've never ducked a race before, so. Apparently it's raining, and we're following a big turbo Supra with a KLM kit on it. So there's that. There were supposed to be races tonight, but yeah, you know, rain, drag pack, you know, skirt. Yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, I don't know. There might be some, but I really don't know. TJ left. But yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty much alone right now. We're pretty much at the gas station. There's a fucking big turbo super right there. There's a big turbo fucking 340 right there. I'm probably gonna go home. It's fucking raining and shit. I'll see if I can compile more footage tomorrow, but yeah.